Yeah. They must not come out. They must just stay under the house. That cable, is it coming out of the ground if you pull it? Pull it hard, this side. See if it's coming up. Don't pull it out the house. Just pull it out the grass. I'm trying to figure out how we're going to put that.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Is that cable going to go in the floor or in the wall? What do you think? It's going to go in the floor? Because the wall, it was a double wall. So there's going to be two of them. So is it going to go in the middle of them? But will we be able to put the outside one? Bring me that big plank. Or the short one. Bring me that short one. Let me first take this thing a little bit. Put that plunk over here. On its side. Right, we're going to put it. So is the cable going to go under it or over it? Can the cable go under it? You must pull out some slack in the grass. Now move it. And let's go under it. Let's go under the wood.